Ontario County woman has died from vaping-associated illness, according to the New York State Department of Health. Officials say the woman was in her 50s, but have not identified her at this time. Kayla Green spoke to the Ontario County Public Health Director about all of this. Kayla, what's going on?
Adam, there have now been 4 vaping-related deaths in New York State, counting that woman from Ontario County and another recent woman in her 20s from New York City. The count is now up to 60 deaths nationwide. The Ontario County Public Health Director says people need to treat this as an addiction and stop vaping. Vaping-related illness has affected over 2,600 people across the country. Today, it's hitting home in Ontario County.
Every life is precious, and my condolences go out to the family. This is not, 50 in your 50s is young.
Mary Beer is the Ontario County Public Health Director. She says she's had concerns about e-cigarettes ever since they first came out.
You can't be putting anything in your lungs that's not going to have some effect long term. Unfortunately, now we're seeing the repercussions much earlier than we expected.
A lot of vaping marketing is targeted at teens, but she says it's affecting all ages. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, 15% of vaping-related illness patients are under 18, 37% are between 18 and 24, 24% ages 25 to 34, and 24% are over 35.
So that means that half of the people that have been affected by this are not youth. They're over 35 years old.
Beer says one common misconception is that vaping can help you quit smoking.
And one of the concerns is that some of these products have more than 10 times the amount of nicotine than one cigarette. So it's not necessarily going to help you quit. So the best thing that I can say is don't start. And if you are smoking or vaping, this is an addiction and you need to address it as one.
Beer says she's supportive of the proposed legislation to ban flavored e-cigarettes statewide. A judge recently struck down New York's emergency ban on flavored e-cigarettes, and some state lawmakers are now pushing harder for the law in the new legislature session. Kayla Green, News 8.
Kayla, thank you. Governor Cuomo said this about the 2 recent deaths. These deaths are tragic, and they are also preventable. We know smoking and nicotine are dangerous, and it's becoming tragically clear by the day that vaping is too. Again, that's from Governor Cuomo.